In this video, we'll explore advanced image editing options to help your instructions highlight key elements of the production process. We'll also cover how to create a tool library, allowing you to quickly embed essential tools into your instructions for seamless integration. Inside the step editor, just below the step image, you'll find 4 icons. The second icon from the left provides access to tools for rotating and cropping the image, allowing you to adjust it to your desired size and orientation. The third icon from the left provides tools to draw multiple shapes in various colors and patterns. Common examples include arrows and circle outlines, which are excellent for highlighting critical elements of the image. These visual markers help direct attention to key details, improving clarity and understanding. If multiple markers are needed, you can easily duplicate existing shapes to ensure consistency throughout your instructions. When you're done drawing, move your mouse to the right side of the screen and confirm exit drawing mode to return to the default menus. Now, select Tools from the 9-tile grid menu and click Add Tool to view all existing tools. To create a new one, click Create New Tool at the bottom right. Enter a name. Click Next. Upload an optional photo and press Complete. The tool will then be automatically embedded into the step. Once your tool library is set up, simply select the desired tools from the list and click Add Tools. You can customize each embedded tool by clicking on it and adding a note. Common notes include tool settings like torque and other specifications. In Admin, you'll find the Tools option in the top center menu. Clicking it will load your complete tool library. Users with admin roles can modify or delete existing tools. You may have noticed the Merge tool. This one is especially powerful, allowing you to replace legacy tools with a new one while automatically updating all existing instructions. If you're making a major process change that could impact hundreds of instructions, we recommend reaching out to Scout Systems support for guidance before proceeding. In the next video, we'll cover publishing an instruction, setting reviewers, and accessing the historical change logs.